cooking skipper lobster. It's gonna be bathing in butter and truffle oil for a couple of minutes. After that, we're gonna do a reduction of the juices. We're gonna pull it out and deep fry it for 3 seconds. After that, we're gonna chop it up. We're gonna put it inside our risotto. With that risotto, we're gonna use our juices left over from the lobster to make it creamier. After that, we're gonna stuff it inside a potato, and the potato is gonna have a double baked potato on top. And we're gonna gratin it in the oven for a couple of minutes. It's gonna be delicious. Set it aside, make a reduction of the juices. The butter is here, the lobster is here. Once we incorporate the lobster inside the potato, and the lobster sees the butter, and she's gonna say, "Oh, I remember you." So they're gonna come together again in flavor. This is where the lobster is gonna go in. Lobster and shrimp risotto. Taking out the potato. We'll make a double baked potato. Very gently we pour the potato. It's hotter than a hot potato. It's a lobster risotto. We have truffle oil, mushrooms, and a little bit of butter, clarified butter. Nice and creamy, delicious. I'm gonna top it off with mashed potato that was inside the potato. So it's kind of like a double baked potato with seafood inside. And we put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. They're ready.